All right, so you just got your package of Flexa upholstery vinyl from Marine Vinyl Fabric. Today we're gonna open it up and see what to expect on the inside of the bag. First things first, don't run and grab your scissors and knife. You don't wanna risk cutting the material on the inside. Instead, take your time and carefully remove the outer black bag, making sure to take the entire roll out of the bag. If you don't, you might not realize exactly what you've got. Once the bag is off, you'll find your roll of vinyl, whatever color or colors you ordered, rolled together neatly. Important, if you've ordered accessories like thread or piping or grommets, you need to check inside the tube because that's how it is shipped. Oh, and if you've ordered foam for a seating project, that is going to be sent separately in a separate order, so expect that not inside of this tube. Important, please inspect your vinyl as soon as it arrives. Make sure everything is correct, undamaged, and ready for your project. Additionally, please report any shipping transit damage within 14 days of delivery by email to support@marinevinylfabric.com. Now, when you've ordered by the yard, your vinyl will be shipped as one continuous piece, up to 30 yards, which is the maximum upholstery roll size. For smaller orders, there's an option to ship the vinyl folded in a box, but this is a less than ideal way to ship, as it will leave folds and creases in the vinyl. Whether you're done with your work or not quite ready to start, storing your colored vinyl is pretty simple. Just make sure it's totally clean and dry, and then just put it in a climate-controlled area. We recommend standing it up vertically, but you can also lay this colored vinyl on its side. Now get to work.